snorkeling by the reefs. I cannot wait! Hey, that's my bag! Stop the belt! Please stop the belt! Hurry up, everyone! We don't want to miss this!
Welcome to the island, Tico.
We are so glad you and your family made it safely.
Thank you, David. It is even more beautiful than we imagined.
Come on, quickly! Everyone in the van now!
Wow, look at that! It's amazing!
The train moves fast through this part of the jungle. Look closely, you might see a glimpse of the rare blue orchids before they disappear.
Stop the car!
What is that?
I don't know, it's glowing. This is the best family vacation ever! Are you guys having fun back there?